Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uncle Adeniyi, your favorite teacher. Alright, in this video I'll be talking about highest common factors of algebraic expression. Do you understand? So, highest common factors. You have all heard about highest common factors, which is what we call HCF, highest common factors. Now, let's move on to the examples. You are asked to find the HCF of 12x squared y and 18xy. So now, what are you going to do? It is very simple. You write your 12x squared y, right? Make your table. So what can go? 2 can go, right? 2 in 12 will give you 6x squared y, right? 2 can still go, which will give you 3x squared y, right? 2 cannot go again, but 3 can go, which will give you s squared y. S can go, right? When you are done with the numbers, so you continue with the alphabets. S can go. S in s squared will still remain 1x and y. So s can still go, which will give you what? Y, right? Because s will cancel s. So y can go. So it will not give you 1, and y will cancel y. Also, do the same thing for the second one, 18sy. So make your table. So what can go? 2 can go. Start with the number first. You start with numbers first. 2 in 18 will give you what? 9xy. Can 2 still go? No. 3 can go. 3 in 9 will give you 3sy. 3 can still go. Give you 1sy. Don't need to write 1sy. Just write sy. Do you get it? So now we are done with the numbers. So remain letters. S can go. S will give you what? Y. Y can still go. Will give you 1. Do you understand? So therefore, write them out. 12x squared y is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 3 times s times s times y. 2 times 2 times 3 times s times s times y. Do you understand? Whereas 18sy will give you what? 2 times 3 times 3 times s times y. Do you get it? Now look for the common factors that appear in both terms. So 2 here, 2 is here. So map them out. Also 3 is here, 3 is here. Map them out. Also s is here, s is here. Map them out. Also y is here, y is here. Map them out. So therefore, HCF, highest common factors, give you, take 1 out, 2, right? Times 3 3 is appear here, times the next one that appears, x, okay, times next one, y, right? Do you understand? So which will now give you what? 2 times 3 will give what? 6. 6 times s times y. It should now be what? 6sy. So that's your HCF. Do you understand? Do you get it now? So, if this video has really helped you, you know what you're going to do for me? Kindly like, comment, and share it with your friends so too they can actually get value. And also, don't forget to subscribe now if you have not subscribed to this channel, because there are helpful videos that I'm gonna dish out. You understand? I always dish out on this channel. So let's move on to number 2. 4a squared b and 6ab. So don't forget, you write your 4a squared first. 4a squared b. Write your table. What is the first number that can go? 2. 2. So 2a squared b, right? 2 can still go. Write your 2, right? It should not be a squared b. We are done with numbers. Remain alphabet. A can go. A still remain a, b. A can still go. It should still remain b, right? B can go. It should not be 1. Do you get it? So let's do for 6ab. It should not be what? Let's start with the numbers first. 2 can go, now give you 3AB. 2 cannot go again, remain 3. 3 can go, should I give you AB, right? So alphabet now, A can go, shall be B. B can go, should not be 1. Do you get it now? So, hold on. So, write your parameters out. 4A squared B should now give what? 2 times 2 times A times A times B. Do you understand? So, 6AB give what? 2 times 3 times A times B. You understand? So now let's look for the common factors. 2 is here, 2 is here. Yes. A is here and A is here, right? B is here, B is here. So these are the common factors. Therefore, HCF number what? You write 1, 2 times A times what? B. Do you understand? So if you know what? 2AB. So that is it. Do you get it now? So it is very, very simple. So now we have come to the end of this video. Ensure you subscribe. You share this video with your friends also. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye.